welcome back to Sumi Fashions. We are again here with a beautiful cotton series. Since it is summer, it's always better to have a cotton saree with us. So we have got some pretty collection of khadi cotton sarees. Let me show you what we have got right now. This is the pink color, guys, a hot pink color. So it's a pure khadi cotton saree. It's very soft, guys. It's very comfortable in summers, as you all know. It's a simple plain saree. Let me show you the material, how it looks. So this is how it looks, guys. Look at this. It's pure handloom khadi cotton, guys. It's very comfortable, very lightweight, and you can wear it full day. Actually, you can carry it even 24 hours. And yeah, so this is having a running blouse, guys. It's pink color. It has a running blouse. This beautiful saree is priced at 999 only, guys. And at the end you can see the pom-poms, which enhances the look of the saree. It's very beautiful, guys. It's very suitable for summer. And the saree alone costs 999. If you guys want to have a contrast blouse with it, we have paired up with some of the blouse pieces. So if you want to buy along with this blouse pieces, then it will cost you 1200, guys. Not only this blouse, we'll just show the other sarees as well. If you want to mix and match this saree with the other blouses also, you can let us know. So this is a very very beautiful collection, guys. It's a pure cotton. Look at this. It's a pure cotton material, guys. It's very soft. The saree itself is also having running blouse. In addition to that, if you want a contrast blouse, then you can go for any of the blouses which will show. So this will again enhance the look of the saree. So the saree alone is priced at 999, and then with the blouse it is priced at 1200 only. Let me show you the available colors. This is pure white, guys. And we have paired it with this beautiful khadi cotton blouse as well. So it's very beautiful sarees. It's very soft, easy to carry. I suggest you to invest in cotton sarees. Look at that, how soft it is. Very, very lightweight. So this is one of the combination. We have some more. I will just show you. If you want to pair this blouse with the other saree which I shown, you can do that. So all that you have to do is just take a screenshot and share it with us in the WhatsApp number. So this pretty black color, we have paired it with a contrast blouse with this checks. Checks are in trend now, guys. As I already told, all the sarees are having running blouses in it. So if you want saree alone, you can also buy it with 999. Just let us know what you want in the WhatsApp clearly. Okay, we have some more pretty colors. This is blue. Blue with this, we have paired up with this beautiful cotton blouse. It has a kind of work going on and a beautiful print. It is actually complementing the saree. We have tried our best to pair a blouse for the running sarees. This is one more color, guys. So this we have paired up with a beautiful maroon color blouse. It is having a border as well. So as I already told, you can mix and match this saree with this blouse or this saree with this blouse. whatever you want. Just specify it to us in the WhatsApp clearly. So this color is very unique and very beautiful, guys. These sarees are pure handloom, guys. This is pretty orange color, and we have paired it with a beautiful blouse. Blouses also is pure cotton, guys. And all the sarees are having pom-pom, beautiful pom-pom. We have some more colors. This is beautiful bottle green color. We have paired it up with a beautiful contrast yellow blouse with a beautiful color stripes. This is a beach color saree, guys. It's very good actually. It's very comfortable, very good, and anybody of any ages can wear this saree. And we have paired it up with this beautiful maroon color blouse. After you stitch and wear, guys, the look of the saree itself will change. So hence we are giving you a double blouse option so that it will enhance the look of the saree as well as the blouse. So this is beautiful coffee brown, or yeah, it's a brown actually. It's very beautiful color, and we have paired up with this beautiful blouse. Look at that, it's pure cotton. It's got a beautiful print on that, like a kind of abstract print, I can say. So this saree is also very beautiful collection, guys. Look at this. One more color we have. This is pretty purple, and we have paired it up with this stripes blouse. It goes so very well with this saree. All the sarees are very beautiful, guys, with very contrast blouse as well as running blouse. It's very beautiful. Once again, I'm trying to tell, this is very beautiful cotton, khadi cotton. See how comfortable it is. It's a good investment, guys. Cotton, you know, it will last for a long time. So this is what the collection we have got. Almost we have got some 10 colors. You can just take a screenshot of the sarees and specify which color you require. So I'll just show you the overview of the sarees. So this is pretty pink, guys. I have paired it up with a green color blouse, green white, and white with the checks blouse, black with another check blouse, and then we have a pretty blue with a white color blouse, then a pretty green with a red blouse, then we have this purple shade with this lines blouse, and then I have got a orange color with this black stripes blouse, and then a bottle green color with yellow color blouse. Then the khadi, I don't know what color it is, it's creamish kind of saree with this checks blouse, and then the brown with another blouse of creamish color with abstract print. So this is our collection for today. These are all called cotton series from our Sumi Fashions. So once again, the saree is 999, and if you want a contrast blouse which we have shown, that is again 1200 only, guys. So do WhatsApp us on the number, and we are also available on Facebook and Instagram. You can message us directly over there as well. And thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, share, and like and comment the video. Thank you so much.